Welcome to WasteWise. This is the JCB 550/80 Wastemaster. We're going to spend some time going through the operator daily checks. The first part of your pre-shift checks is the machine visual inspection. This starts with the machine carriage, ensuring it's free from debris and in good condition, that your attachment is securely connected and all of the locking pins are in place. If hydraulic pin locking is fitted, such as on this machine, you need to make sure that that function is isolated before use. As you start to walk around with the machine, you need to look for any signs of damage, leftover debris or leaks. This starts with the tyres. In this machine, solid tyres are fitted, so no inflation is necessary. When pneumatic tyres are fitted, please refer to your operator manual to ensure all tyres are inflated to the correct pressure. Ensure your sidewalls are free from damage, your tread is in good condition, and all wheel nuts are torqued correctly. Where wheel nut indicators aren't fitted, please use a torque wrench. As we move to the chassis of the machine, ensuring that all belly guards are in good condition, there's no leaks from under the machine, and any leftover debris is cleaned off the machine. Before operation, please also ensure that all light guards, cab guards and belly guards are free from debris, damage or any leaks. Also ensure that your windows are clean to give maximum visibility for safety on site. Before starting your shift, please ensure that all fluids are at the correct level. If they do need topping up, wear the correct PPE and ensure the area around the diesel cap and AdBlue is clear before starting. At the rear of the machine, make sure your mirror is correctly positioned and free from damage. Ensure your lights are correctly positioned, clear and highly visible to anyone around you. When working on a compact site, they can be folded away to minimise the chance of damage. Check your hydraulic fluid level at the sight gauge here. If it does need topping up, use the filler cap. Follow the machine schedule to ensure all greasing is complete and refer to your operator's manual for any hidden grease points. We're going to take a look under the bonnet, but first ensure your air intake is free from dust so air can circulate through the engine. Inside the engine bay, make sure it's free from debris, any leaks or excessive dust. Check your fuel filter to ensure there's no water in the base. Open your radiator to make sure it's clear from any debris and there's not an excessive buildup of dust. If there is a lot of dust in the engine bay, make sure you clear out your air filter. Use the dipsticks provided for the transmission fluid and for the engine oil to ensure they're at the correct level. Check the level of your coolant using the sight gauge here and ensure there's no excessive buildup of dust anywhere in the engine bay. That completes the operator daily checks. If you have any questions about the checks or the machine, please consult the operator's manual or your site supervisor. When using a JCB 550/80 Wastemaster to load a high sider, please follow the following tips. Approach the high sider slowly, making sure the area is clear and everyone is out of danger. Slowly raise the boom to the appropriate height. Once the boom is in the correct position, apply the handbrake, place the machine into neutral, extend the boom whilst tilting the bucket down. Once you're over the centre of the trailer, start to tilt the bucket down further, opening the top grab and allowing material to flow into the trailer. Use the bucket rattle feature on JCB Loadalls to ensure that all material exits the bucket. Once the bucket is empty, crowd the bucket back and begin to withdraw the boom and close the top grab. Once you've checked your surroundings, including over both shoulders, begin to reverse the loadall in a straight line while slowly lowering the boom to the travel position. When using a JCB Loadall to fill a bucket, slowly approach the pile with the toe plate parallel to the ground, the top grab open and the boom retracted. Drive into the pile, filling the bucket. Crowd the bucket back slightly whilst applying the top grab. Raise the boom slightly, and once you've checked over both shoulders to ensure the area is clear, begin to reverse. At the end of your shift, please ensure the machine is free from dust and debris. The machine is parked on flat, level ground with the attachment flush to the ground. The isolator key is removed where necessary, and any damage, defect or leak is reported to your site supervisor.
Always ensure you have been sufficiently trained to operate any specific piece of equipment safely and efficiently within the waste and recycling environment, and that you are competent and confident. You have a full understanding of the operator's handbook and know where it's located. You respect site speed limits and safe working procedures. Ensure all of your colleagues are aware of site safety in the waste environment at all times. You wear correct PPE on site at all times as required by site rules. You conduct your daily checks and be sure to immediately report damage, service and fault warning lights to your fleet or maintenance department. Windows, mirrors and cameras are clear from dirt and debris to maximize visibility. Steps, handles, machine guards and engine bays are clear from debris and free from damage. You use the correct attachments as outlined by your dealer and manufacturer and ensure the machine is the correct machine for the task. Cab doors and windows are closed where possible to minimize dust ingress inside the cab. More importantly, always remember, safety is everyone's responsibility.